this is what DJI gives you to carry the Neo 2. Yeah, a plastic bag. And that's exactly why I start looking for a better solution. I didn't want a huge hard case, just something compact that actually fits in a backpack, keeps the drone protected on its own and doesn't damage the antennas of the digital transceiver. And I ended up with two very different bags. One is the obvious choice here, and the other one is a bit of a DIY hack, but more on that in a second. Let me show you what I'm actually using right now and why. First up is this compact carrying case. It's the closest thing I could find to a proper Neo 2 bag that still stays small and lightweight, and it even fits into the top compartment of my camera backpack, which was really important to me. The case itself weighs around 0.25 kilograms without any contents, and the overall size is about 20 by 20 by 9.5 centimeters, so it stays very compact. The build quality is very solid. It's a hard case with a high quality inner lining that's precisely molded for the DJI Neo 2, making it shockproof, drop resistant and scratch resistant. It's also waterproof, moisture resistant, dust proof and offers an overall improved level of protection, which is exactly what I was looking for. And just to be clear, I bought all of these bags here with my own money. This is not sponsored in any way. I actually spent quite some time researching different options and picked what fits my needs best. One small detail I really like is that even though this case is from Hombobo, there's no brand logo here pre-attached on the outside. They include the logo separately if you want to stick it on, which I think is a great touch. On the outside here, there isn't much ongoing, as you can see here, except for one small carry loop in one corner, where you can attach the included carabiner, meaning you can also clip the case to the outside of a camera backpack, which is very practical. Now let's open it up. Inside there are cutouts here for the drone and two batteries that sit nearly underneath. The drone fits in here perfectly with a digital receiver attached, which was a big requirement for me because those little antennas here are definitely something you want to protect. The batteries have their own slots on the bottom and there's enough space for cables and accessories in the zip pocket on the top. Let's also take a quick look at the separate zipper compartment inside the lid. It doesn't look like much at first, but it's easily enough to fit all the accessories, including the extra cables and even the empty quick charging hub from the Fly More combo. So everything fits in one place here, except for the RC controller though. And honestly, for most Neo 2 use cases, that's totally fine. Alright, so that's it for the traditional carrying case. Now let's have a look at this black sleeve here. But what is this? It's a Rehotom portable fishing reel cover for spinning and wheel reels. Obviously, right? To be honest, I never heard of this brand before, and I also never thought I would be buying fishing gear for a drone. But here we are. There is no official neoprene sleeve for the Neo 2, so this is basically my workaround. So with the digital transceiver here attached, it's not perfect, but you can put it in and you can close it here. And it's better than carrying the drone around in a plastic bag, right? And if you don't need the transceiver, you can quickly remove it and the Neo fits perfectly inside the neoprene sleeve as well, which makes it ideal for backpack, quick trips and minimal setups. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Not the longest video, but quite a few of you ask how I carry the Neo 2. And these are the two solutions I'm currently using, depending on the use case for sure. If you found this helpful, feel free to like this video or subscribe. All products are linked below using Amazon affiliate links. Stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one.